Valentine's Day for Donuts and Diners, the tastiest channel on YouTube. My wife and I were out for dinner tonight, and we saw some new technology that we have never seen in any restaurant before. Now, what we usually bring to you is nostalgic, historic, and tried and tested things. So we're coming to you from Rogers, Arkansas. Now, this is the part of the state that I was born and raised in, just south of here. That's a good tamale. We actually decided to come to eat tonight at Abuelo's Mexican restaurant. And Abuelo's is a chain. We normally don't feature chains on our channel. We feature local or very small regional places. So we're really not featuring Abuelo's, although it's great. If you want to go there, it's an awesome place. You can't go wrong with Abuelo's. But what we did want to feature was Robbie the Robot. Yes, a robot bringing you your food. I want to show you how much food I had left after we were done eating. That's a full meal taking home, and I'm very excited about it. The food's really not what we're about tonight. It's about this robot waiter. I'm just fascinated that they've got a robot waiter. So what I understand, Robbie the Robot is actually the very first robot in any Abuelo's anywhere in the U.S. This Rogers location is the first one to have it. That's pretty cool that we got to see it tonight. Are robots going to take over the world? This robot, it can't work without people. All it can do is bring the food to your table. Someone had to put the food on the robot, and someone has to take the food off the robot. But the robot's still cool. You know, today's Valentine's Day, and whether you think 1 million people love you or nobody loves you, I'm here to tell you that Jesus Christ loves you no matter what. Hey, thanks for joining us on Donuts and Diners. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing to us. Also, hit the big thumbs up like, that really helps the channel. Until next time, we'll see you.